A lot of people ask us as chiropractors, what is that pop or cracking sound and where does it come from? A lot of people assume that it's the disc that's popping or we're cracking the disc. Not so much. It's actually the facet joint. So the movement that when we adjust your spine is relieving pressure in restrictions in these facet joints, not in the disc. So there is gas that comes out of the fluid here when we change the volume. So think of a bottle of champagne. There's no bubbles coming out until you take the lid off or pop the top, and then you've changed the air volume. You've increased the air volume, and all of a sudden the bubbles come out of the liquid. So you're getting a gas release from the liquid. Same thing here. After you take the pressure off the joint, relieves the gas here, takes the pressure off the nerves, allows for better movement and better function.